Hello，大家好，我叫悠悠书院的中文老师。Hello everyone, my name is Joshua, your Chinese teacher. Today, we are going to study how you can tell your age or tell the age of your family members, including your siblings, your parents, or your grandparents. Hope that you have already clicked subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss weekly free Chinese courses. Let's get started. First of all, let us learn family members. The first line are my siblings. Me, I am between. Left side, they are younger than me. And the right side, they are older than me. 我 me 我家 my family 我妹妹 my younger sister 我弟弟 my younger brother 我哥哥 my older brother 我姐姐 my older sister father 爸爸 mother 妈妈 paternal grandfather 爷爷 paternal grandmother 奶奶 maternal grandmother 外婆 maternal grandfather 外公 Let us repeat all of them from down. 我妹妹弟弟哥哥姐姐爸爸妈妈爷爷奶奶外婆外公 Apart from these family relationships, there are others which are considered to be very close. Let us look at them. 妈妈爸爸妻子老婆丈夫老公哥哥姐姐弟弟妹妹儿子女儿 Next, let us look at age. We call it 年龄 a person's age. But if it is age in general, we call it 年龄 for a person. In Chinese, there are different ways to ask age. For kids who are under 10 years old, we use 几岁 For example, for Mei Mei and Didi, all of them, they are under 10 years old. So if you want to ask one of them their age, you will say 你今年几岁 你今年几岁你几岁了你几岁了你今年几岁了你今年几岁了 How old are you? For children. 我的妹妹回答 My younger sister answers 我7岁I am 7 years old. So in these three ways, you choose the one that you find easy for you. 你今年几岁你几岁了你今年几岁了 You may also need a person to tell you the age of another person. For instance, on this picture, there is a mom and a daughter. You may ask this mom, 你女儿几岁了你女儿几岁了你 you 女儿 daughter 几 how many 岁 age La, a particle used to indicate change or circumstance. all of them together. 你女儿几岁了 How old is your daughter? 她今年4岁了。她今年4岁了。She is 4 years old. 今年 this year. Please note that this year in Chinese it is 今年 Last year 去年 and next year 明年 For people who are 10 years old and above, we say 你今年多大你今年多大多 how many 大 old How old are you? 你今年多大 Second way 你多大了你多大了 or 你今年多大了 For instance, this question was asked to my older sister. 她说 She says 我今年18岁 So now answer this question. 你多大 How old are you? 你多大 We'll say 我 the number of your age 岁 I think you still remember numbers. If you don't remember them well, watch my previous video. There is a number from 1 to 100. If you are 25, 我25岁 If you are 40, 我40岁 If you are 56, 我56岁等等 and so on. For old people, you may also say 您多少岁了您多少岁了 or 你多大年纪了您多大年纪了 It's more polite. For instance, if it is my dad, he will say 我63岁了我63岁了 For 70 years and above, these are old people. You may ask 您高寿您高寿 or 你今年高寿您今年高寿高寿 means longevity and it has got relationship with 寿命寿命 lifespan 有的人寿命长有的人寿命短For some people, lifespan is too long and others it is small. It is different according to the countries and people. 我94岁我94岁 I am 94 years old. The following, how old is your dad? 你爸爸多大了你爸爸多大了他今年55岁他今年55岁 55 他今年55岁你呢 What about you? 你呢我25岁我25岁 I am 25我25岁你爸爸多大你妈妈多大你哥哥多大你姐姐多大 It is not difficult, isn't it? On the picture there is Li老师 Professor Li. You may also want to know her age and ask one of her students. 李老师多大了李老师多大了她今年38岁了 She is 38 years old. 她是 that personal pronoun. If you don't remember personal pronouns well, please watch my previous videos. There is one that explains well all of Chinese personal pronouns. So this is the end of today's video. Hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have not clicked subscribe on my channel, it will be difficult for you to find me next time. 谢谢你收看我的视频，再见，再见。